As a longtime league bowler, I am excited that the USBC Open 50th Annual Championships is in my hometown of Baton Rouge, Louisiana, and I will be bowling this tournament as a substitute and bowling on a sports pattern for the very first time. So follow along and let's get this adventure started. Welcome to Travel Adventures with Eric B. I'm Eric B. If you're new here, I offer travel advice. I am a solo traveler and I do vlogs to help you travel better and more efficiently. What's up, YouTube, and welcome to Travel Adventures with Eric B. I'm Eric B. Today, I'm in my hometown of Baton Rouge, Louisiana, but there's something special going on here in Baton Rouge. It's the USBC tournament, and I'm subbing tonight, so I'm gonna get to bowl in a big national tournament. I'm excited about it, even though some people are telling me I shouldn't because, I don't know, y'all don't know as much about bowling maybe, but I've never bowled on a sports pattern that the professionals bowl on. That's what this is going to be on. So some people are telling me I'm going to have a rough night, but follow along and let's find out. In the actual video here of me bowling, because it says that any bowling video of bowling or practice is prohibited, so you may not see me bowling on video. This is the setup, folks. They're in between contests because the next set is 11:30, which I'll be bowling at 11:30 tomorrow night, so but that's the whole setup here. I'm excited about it, man. I can't wait. I like how they have the lockers here, so if you're in a tournament, maybe you're staying at a hotel or something, you don't have a rental car or anything, you can just pay for your lockers and put your bowling bags in. I think that's really cool. Bowlers that wear uniforms that aren't that good, but it's just something intimidating, I guess, and you see someone in their bowling uniform, it just feels like they're good. They got to be really good, even though they may not be. Pro shop is not open because obviously it's late. There's certainly some cool stuff in there to be had. One of those Baton Rouge USBC Open 2025 shirts. I got to get one of those. Need to look at this. What's allowed and what's not allowed. All right, folks, so tomorrow I come here and I bowl. We'll see. And also I got to remember, when you see me tomorrow, I won't have this hat on because you can't wear a hat. So I'd like to record at least a bowling shot or two so you can see it in this video, but it says don't record it, so I probably won't. But I will be letting you know how I'm doing as the games go. Minutes to practice before it really gets started. So looking at all of this, tomorrow night I'll be doing this. I'll be 6 minutes of practice. Feel a little more comfortable because I see a lot of misses. I don't see many strikes, so I don't have to feel like I got to go up there and strike every time, because I'm not seeing a lot of strikes right now. Not a lot at all. not seeing many strikes at all. I love their bowling uniforms down there. They all got names and everything on it. I love those bowling uniforms. They're giving people fits. A lot of bowlers are figuring it out now. I'm seeing a lot more strikes. I guess it's like the fourth or fifth frame for everyone. They're kind of figuring out the lanes and the oil patterns. Folks, so tonight is the actual bowling night. As I mentioned lastly, can't wear a hat here on bowling night, so I gotta show my hideous bald spot, but it's okay. I'm excited. I'm excited for the opportunity. I probably won't bowl well, but I'll probably sub again though, get a little experience throwing on these sports patterns and all. I bowled 6 games. First game was a miserable 101. Game will be better. It can't get any worse. Second game, not much better, a 119, but it did get better as I went. 2 was a 147. They already cleared it off the board. Shout out to the Werner family from Wyoming for allowing me to sub. I definitely appreciated it and appreciated the experience of it. It was great. So I'm all done. It's 2:28 in the morning. Bowled 6 games, singles, doubles, so this is what I bowled. First game, terrible, 101. Second game, pretty bad but better, 147. 119, pretty bad. 133, I picked it up the last 2 games. 182 is a good game on a sports pattern, and then 154 the last game. The 182 game, I started off really well with a turkey, and then I sort of faded in the end. And then I spared in the 10th frame. So yeah, it definitely got better as I went on. Yeah, I'll take those on a sports pattern. At least I definitely take the 182. I'll even take the 154, and the 147 is okay on a sports pattern because those are a lot harder. Those of you who bowl, you know, like when you bowl like on a sports pattern like this, like if you don't have a ball that's got a heavy hook and mine doesn't, it's like every time you throw the ball to the right, it just dies in the oil and it just doesn't hook. So I had to change up my whole technique and style and throw a little more inside. And it worked in the 5th game, and it worked some in the 6th game. Worked a little bit earlier too. So it was the first game and the 3rd game were really bad, but I'll take that for my first ever time bowling on a sports pattern. Hopefully better next time for sure, and I'll get a better ball for, you know, sports patterns than what I have. But my normal ball bowls really well on a house shot. If you don't know about bowling, you probably don't even know what I'm talking about, but a house shot in a sports pattern is totally different because sports pattern is what the pros bowl on, and that's what we're bowling on here. But anyway, I hope you all enjoyed this video, and if you did, I ask that you please hit the like, please hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification so you can know when I have more videos coming out. And as always, remember, live today, grow today, tomorrow's never guaranteed. Peace and travel. Lots and lots of travel. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please hit the like, share, subscribe buttons. Leave any comments below. I love to interact. And if you would like to help the channel continue to grow, please consider hitting that join button and becoming a member of the Peace Corps and help us to continue to grow as a travel community.